Hey foodie friends, we are back in the kitchen today and I am making some creamy shrimp and crab pasta salad. A friend of mine is having a surprise birthday party, so I'm showing up with like 2 pans of this pasta salad. I'm gonna show you all how I made it. So first of all, what you're gonna do is start off by boiling some water and adding some elbow macaroni. I'm using a pound of elbow macaroni. And once that is finished, you want to put that in the refrigerator and let it get cool. You can also run some cold water on there to help it cool off too. And then once that is ready, you're going to add your seasoning. So I have some seasoning sauce, some Cajun seasoning, black pepper, and I'm going to also be adding in some celery, some red onion, as well as some bell peppers. And I'm going to mix all of this together and I'm going to start layering the flavors. So mix this together and then you're going to be adding in some mayo. Generally, I like to use Kraft mayo, but because of the amount of mayo, I'm using Hellmann's because they have like the large bulk Hellmann's at Sam's Club. I know folks like to use Duke, so whatever your favorite mayo is, you can add that in there. So again, I'm layering the flavors because of the amount of pasta salad that I'm making. The next ingredient that I'm going to be adding is some imitation crab. Now, I had some folks in the comments during the last video that I made about this pasta salad, like, why are you adding imitation crab? Well, the crab does have like some Alaskan pollock in there as well as some real crab meat too. But if you want to fully add just all lump crab meat, you can definitely do that. I live in the Chicagoland area, so 16 ounces of lump crab meat can cost $27 to $30. So if I do that, it's for a smaller quantity unless someone is paying me to make this pasta salad, and that ain't the case today. So what you can do is add full lump crab meat if you want to for this salad, if you're balling like that. The next thing I'm adding is some shrimp. This is about a pound and a half of cooked medium shrimp. You can also do large shrimp. Just be sure that it's peeled and deveined. The next thing that you're going to be doing is adding in some more of the red onions as well as the celery, because again, remember you're layering the flavors. The next thing I'm going to do here is add the tomatoes, and that's going to add some acidity to the pasta salad as well as make it a little bit more easier to stir all the ingredients too. But yeah, so this is pretty much what you're doing when you're making the salads, that you're adding your pasta, you're adding seasoning, you're adding your veggies like some more celery, the red onions, the bell peppers, the tomatoes. I do have the full ingredient list as well as the recipe on my website at plussizeinchicago.com. Just search for shrimp and crab pasta salad. If there is a favorite side dish that you have for your holiday parties or birthday parties or potlucks, let me know what that is in the comments, and I'll see you guys next time.